Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Spider-Man, just a simple headshot. I feel like kind of the site needs one. I've been drawing a lot of stuff, but I haven't drawn like a simple headshot, like, as he's turning to the right. So it's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners. So if you're a complete beginner, you will be able to do this. So absolutely stick around. It's only 8 minutes, so it's going to be short. Stick around for the entire thing, and that's it. All right, let's get started, okay? Before we do anything else, don't forget to hit the subscribe if you like learning how to draw. I post three times every day, at least on the weekdays. So absolutely hit the subscribe if you like drawing videos. They're all short. They're all about 10 minutes. So let's get going. Gonna go over here, curve for the top of the head. Go right here from the forehead. From the brow, pulling in a little bit to the cheek. And then curving in. Gonna go over here, pulling back over here for the back of the head. Pulling down. Maybe down a little bit more. And pulling back here for the back of the neck. Gonna go right here, down, up, curve up here for the jaw, front over here, pull down here, out, line over here. Okay, so we have the general head shape right there. Now I'm going to do is I'm going to find the eyes. So I'm going to throw a dot here, maybe in a dot about here, and that's kind of where the middle of the eyes are going to be as far as they go to the middle. Curve out here for one. Go over here on this side. Curve over here. One's kind of rounding the corner because it's going away there. One's right here. Curve underneath. Then curve underneath. Have a little edge there on the one. I'm going to thicken out the lines here. The reason I'm going to do that is because I think it's just a good idea. It stands out more, and I just think the design is like that a lot. Line over here. Alright, let's go to the center here. This one I'm going to draw like a bit of a triangle almost. You can put any shape you want in the middle. Normally I just draw like a little explosion looking shape, but you can do that. And from the center, remember, draw a thinner line when you draw the design of his head. Like the design of his head. When you draw the web designs, you have to use a thinner line. You don't have to, but I recommend using a thinner line than the line over here, because it's going to attract too much attention if you make it too thick. So I'm going to throw another line over here. It's all going to, be around the center here. Right over here. And over here. Down, 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 down. As far as the neck goes, it just looks like to me a checkerboard. The neck is really simple. I'm gonna draw like a shadow here underneath. I'm going to fill that in. I think it just kind of needs some dark there, so I think a shadow would be good. And maybe right here, the front, like Adam's apple area. Going over here, curve, 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 curve. It's curving inward, right, for like that web pattern. And I'm going to pull out a little bit more. And I'm going to kind of continue on along here. You can even throw out one more there. I'm not sure if I will though. Yeah, I'm gonna throw one more. Ooh, right there. I don't know. It's not that big a deal. And the cool part is that, like I said, as long as you have the impression, you don't have to like count the number of those webs or anything like that. As long as you have the general look, that is what you want. That's what you're after. If you really want, you can throw like maybe a what do you call it? Like a shocked look right here, like the Spidey sense. Right here. I think that's how they do it in the 90s cartoon, which I would watch a lot. Like he's got like a Spidey sense, like, oh no. See, straighten that out. And I might actually add a thicker line on the outside right here. Just a little bit of a thicker line because I want it to kind of stand out on the page. Don't forget to hit that like. The channel grows on likes. It's basically like the seeds of growth or those likes, so definitely hit that like button if you do. If you even mildly like the tutorial or Spider-Man in general, absolutely hit that like button. And yeah, it's definitely going to be a lot better. Let me know if you saw Spider-Man No Way Home. I saw it, I thought it was awesome, but I want to know your thoughts. Did you have any strong opinions about it, one way or the other? Let me see. I'm going to thicken it. There's still this line up here is a little thin compared to the other ones. There we go. Don't forget, check out my full lessons on Skillshare. They are going to be, the link is going to be in the description. The first 100 people get in there for free. So what is Skillshare? Skillshare is like the Netflix for like drawing lessons, basically. There's a lot of drawing lessons, and they're like hour-long drawing lessons. They're full-blown stuff. So for example, I have how to draw the head on there, how to draw, let me see, how to draw the head, how to draw like the body, right, anatomy. I have a Venom drawing lesson on there, which is free. Go take a look at that stuff. It's free right now when you click the link in the description. So when you do that, they give you a month for free to see any video you want on the channel and on the whole course, the whole website. But yeah, it's kind of like I said, it's all for beginners, but it's really long tutorials. So if you're really serious about getting better at drawing, go over there. Go through that, click in the description, like I said, and that'll give it to you for free for a month. You can even just sign up for a month and pay $0 the whole time. So that's it. Please hit the share button, and I'll talk to you next time, okay? Hit the share button on the thing. See ya. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.